Guys, welcome back to SnapFix. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to get rid of this sound. That is a ticking sound on your stove, and it's caused by the moisture in your igniter. So we're going to take a look at that, okay? So we're going to go ahead and remove this. And go ahead and remove the burner cap. And this is the burner base, okay? See this? That is the igniter, okay? Let me go ahead and turn it on for you. You're going to see that little spark? So let's go ahead and remove this. If for some reason that got wet, if you just recently clean it, or you clean it is not completely, if you got something spilled over when you cook and you clean it, you thought you cleaned it all away. For some reason that it got wet. If that got wet, it will not stop clicking. Okay. So what you want to do is get a very easy fix, like I said. Get a Q-tip, dry them all out. You can also use one of the, if it's really dirty, you got food particles or something in there, you can also use one of the wipes. I got some Lysol wipes there. I can actually use that. So that is an easy fix, guys. So it has to dry it out before it stops clicking. Okay? So do this before you call the appliance repair person. All right? Hope that helps, and I'll see you in the next video.